Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is how you can use K2 Think AI for brainstorming the solution of complex questions. Okay, so we are going to use this. So we are also going to need to create an account on K2 Think AI. So first, let's go to the K2 Think AI. Okay, so this is powered by Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence. Okay, so it's important to mention the name. Okay, so I will click on this link. So the URL is k2think.ai/k2think. If you type this URL in your browser, you will directly reach to this website and it's loading. Okay, so let me show you the overall layout of this website first. So this is the overall layout of this website. You can see that. Okay, here you can solve out your complex queries. Okay, whether it's related to mathematics or whether it's related to like coding as well. So let's try this. Try K2Think now. So I'll click on this link and it will take us to the main interface. But before that, we must need to create our account first. So let's click on this sign up and sign in with Google. Okay. So here I'll authorize my Google account first and give it the permission to use, and I'll click on continue button, and that's how our account will be created. So we must need to have a complex query first so that we can check okay how it works. So let's go to the ChatGPT first and let's create some complex query. Create a complex mathematic question for AI. Okay, let's see this. So it will give us a question. So this is a question. We will just copy this question and paste it into the website. Okay, K2Think. So let's see. I have pasted it, and now I will hit the OK button. So I will click on this send message, and now it will solve this. The format is a little bit confusing, but no problem, it's okay for the AI to solve. Now it has started thinking over it, and now it will solve this question. So as you can see that it has thought for only 42 seconds and it has solved our complex query. I can't even read that query because it's been generated through the ChatGPT, and as you can see that it has solved us this. It has given us the solution of this complex query. So you can look at this and we have got the answer as well. So that's how you can use K2Think AI and get the solution for your complex query. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to thumbs up for this video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.